All right, Caroline, let's say we're leading a mission trip, right? And things just are not working. It's not any logistical disaster, but you can just feel that the spirit is working, but it's not feeling like things are connecting.
Mhm.
Just kind of getting the sense that stuff is falling flat. What do you do in that situation?
Yeah, that's an important one because I think no matter what, youth ministry has always been for me a long form experience of troubleshooting and problem solving. And I think when you can be honest with your kids about what's working and what's not, letting them give feedback on what they think is working and not, let them be leaders, let them be partners in maybe making a change, right? Um, if a site isn't working, isn't safe, isn't right, can you change it? Yes. Can we do more of blank instead of and less of this? Of course. You want to do right by your partner and be in a relationship and conversation with them. And so it is a balancing act. But there's always ways to make changes so that maybe the goal is shifting. Maybe it wasn't reasonable to try to get this roof done. How do we change it? How do we reframe for our kids so that it feels like a win, but you're also being honest with them? They know, and if you're feeling it, they're feeling it. And so they want to recreate maybe an experience that they had last year or a hope that they had, or they're going to have some expectations. Let them air that out. Let them be disappointed about something not going the way that they wanted, but then try to reframe and see where you can troubleshoot and maybe something beautiful that you had no idea and never expected is going to come out of it, but not if you told it so tightly because you're just so stuck to the script. So again, I think that's where that flexibility, that vulnerability and humility comes in. It is never boring to be on a mission trip. It is never a dull moment. And if you think it's going to go exactly according to that perfect itinerary and agenda, it's not. But being able to roll with changes and listen to your kids, I think is really important.
Sure. Thanks.